Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Python 3.5 with NumPy and SciPy on Windows computer. Because many Python packages are essentially developed on Linux and depend on native code, compiling these packages on a different OS was always a challenge. On Windows, for example, we can't directly use pip to install a package like we can on Linux. We'll need first to install a specific Visual C++ version that matches the Visual C++ version with which Python was compiled, and so on. Even this way, SciPy is notoriously difficult to build on Windows. A possible solution is to use a Python distribution like Miniconda, which will provide us many Python packages already compiled for different operating systems. Miniconda will install a minimal Python system on your machine that can be further customized to meet your needs. We'll start by downloading Miniconda for Windows. Be sure to pick the proper version for your system. A 64-bit Windows can use both 32 or 64 bits Miniconda, but a 32-bit Windows can't run a 64-bit installer. Personally, I will use the 64-bit Miniconda installer. Now, we can start the installation. I leave these two options checked because I want to use Anaconda as my default Python 3 interpreter. These are also useful if you want to use an IDE for Python development. I'll open a command window to check if Miniconda was properly installed. Here we can use the conda info command to check the version of Miniconda and Python installed on our computer. The version numbers from this report could be different when you install Miniconda on your computer. This is because Miniconda tries to stay as up-to-date as possible with the latest Python versions. Modern Python development favors the use of virtual environments. I'd recommend that you read more about virtual envs in the Python docs. Miniconda will create a new environment with the conda create command. Here we can specify the Python version we want to use. It is also possible to have different environments with different Python versions and different installed packages. Once an environment is created, we can activate it with the activate command. Once activated, your command prompt will change to indicate the name of your current environment, which is work, in my case. Now we can install the packages that we need using the conda install command. For the purpose of this video, I will install NumPy, SciPy and Matplotlib. The installation could take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection and your computer. I'll just pause the video until the installation will finish. Okay, I'm back. Let's fire up the Python interpreter and do some tests. First, I'll import SciPy. I can check the version of SciPy installed by Miniconda with the sp.version.version command. Let's define a square matrix and do some operations with it. We can store the matrix transpose in a variable for future processing. Say that we want to try matrix multiplication now. As expected, multiplying a matrix with its transpose will yield a symmetrical matrix. If we use the quit command, we are back in the work environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.